Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Badraji. This is our class 7th subject math and chapter number 3rd which is data handling. Name of chapter number 3rd is data handling, exercise number 3.1 and our question number 2nd is up to question number 1st I have solved in our previous video, and this question, some parts of this question also I have solved in our previous video. Now I have given you some homework. I hope you have tried to solve the questions according to the homework. And now I am going to take our question number 2nd. What is that? Organize the following. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Organize the following marks in a class assessment. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. वे अपने को क्लास असेसमेंट के मार्क्स को है ना नीचे दिए गए क्लास असेसमेंट के मार्क्स को टेबल फॉर्म में ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, और ये अपना क्या है, ये अपना HW होमवर्क है। ठीक, तो चलिए भाई स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखिए भाई ये है आपके टेबल फॉर्म में हमारे को अरेंज करना है। क्या क्या दिए हुए हैं, 4 6 7 5 3 5 4 5 2 6 2 5 1 6 9 6 5 8 4 6 8 4 6 7 5 एंड ओके, यहाँ तक गुड। चलिए अब देखते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज द फॉलोइंग मार्क्स इन अ क्लास असेसमेंट इन अ टेबुलर फॉर्म। ओके, तो देखो एक तो टेबुलर फॉर्म में करना है, टेबुलर फॉर्म के लिए थोड़ा स्पेस चाहिए, इसलिए मैं इसको रब करके फिर करूँगा टेबुलर फॉर्म। ठीक, अपन फर्स्ट पार्ट लेके चलते हैं, विच नंबर इज द हाईएस्ट। तो देखो हाईएस्ट नंबर कौन सी, 9 है इनमें से। ठीक है, हाईएस्ट नंबर क्या है, 9। विच इज वेयर इज 9, एक्चुअली आर 9 इज दिस वन। ओके, दिस इज 9 हाईएस्ट। ओके, विच नंबर इज लोएस्ट, what is our lowest number? Lowest number is 1, which is this one. Okay, and what is the range of the data? So data is varying from 1 to 9, so range is 1 to 9. And last one is find the arithmetic mean. Fourth part is what, find the arithmetic mean. So what is arithmetic mean? Actually arithmetic mean is arithmetic mean is sum of observation upon number of observation, sum of observation upon number of observation, sum of observation upon number of observation is the arithmetic mean, formula for arithmetic mean. Okay, so we have to add all the numbers and divide the number which is the number exactly according to the counting of these all data. Okay, so what we'll do now is, sum is what, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 5 is what, 17 plus 5 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, 34 plus 5 is 39, 39 plus 2 is 39 plus 2 is 41, 41 plus 6 is 47, 47 plus 2 is 49, 49 plus 1 is 50, 50 plus 5 is 50 plus 5, 50 plus 5 is 55, 55 plus 9 is 55 plus 9 is 64, 64 plus 4 is 70, 70 plus 5 is 75, and plus 10 is 85, 85 plus 15 is what, 85 plus 15 is 100. Good. So sum of observation is 100. Okay, and how many number of observation is there actually? So I hope it is very clearly visible and very clearly audible to you. Okay, so Number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sum of observation is 100 and number of observations 20. Okay, so 25 is 100. This is our answer, which is 5. Our answer is what? Answer is 5. Okay. Now we have find out the arithmetic mean. Find the arithmetic mean and we have evaluated the arithmetic mean. Good. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will go for our first one. First one was for the question given was Joji or organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. We have to organize this data in tabular form, and for that what we will do is we will rub and make a table. So what is there actually? Here is our data, and here we have to make the assessment, class assessment. Okay. So what is there? Okay. Our first column will consist class. Here tally marks will come, and in the end over here frequency will come. Class, first class, and there second also is there, third one is also there, fourth is also there, fifth is also there, sixth one is as well over there. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to rub these two lines. Okay. After that we will draw this data over here. This is 7, this is 8, and in the end this is 9. Okay. Tally marks, first tally marks is 1. Okay. And frequency is also 1. Good. Because 1 is coming only one time. 2 is how many times 2 is coming? 2 is coming 2 times. Okay. So tally mark should be this one and frequency is 2. Good. How many times 3 is coming? 3 is coming 1. Only one time. Okay. 3 is coming only one time. Tally mark should be this one. And frequency is 1. Okay. After that 4. How many times 4 is coming? 1. Here 2. 3. Okay. 4 is coming 3 times. So tally marks is this one 3 and frequency is also good. 5. How many times 5 is coming? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is coming 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is coming 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually tally marks should not end. We should not put this type of symbols. Okay. Frequency 5 is 5. So we will put this type of tally mark and frequency frequency is 5. Okay, and for 6, how many times 6 is coming? 6 is coming 2 times. One is here, second one is here, 3 and 4 times. 6 is coming 4 times. Carry mass is this one, this is 4, and frequency is 4. Okay, how many times 7 is coming? 1, 2. 7 is coming 2 times. Okay, how many times 8 is coming? 8 is coming 1 time only. And frequency is 1. Okay, how many times 9 is coming? 9 is coming 1 time only. Frequency is 1. Okay, this is our what? This is our chart. Okay, now I am going to rub this data and we will start. Question number next, which is question number 10. Okay. Okay, find our next question is question number 3, which is find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Okay, we have to find out the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Okay, what is first 5 whole numbers? First 5 whole numbers are 0. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are first 5 whole numbers. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Whole numbers starts with 0, hence first 5 whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and the formula for arithmetic mean is what? Or only mean. Mean stands for arithmetic mean. Mean stands for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Okay, and what is formula for that? Mean stands for arithmetic mean, and what is formula for this one is sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. Okay, what is formula for that? Sum of observation upon number of observation. So what is the sum? Actually, what is the sum? What we'll do is sum is, listen, sum is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Sum is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is the sum. Okay, and how many are there? Number is 5, so we will divide by 5. And 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 upon 5 and 5 to the 10. So our answer means our mean is 2 for first 5 whole numbers. I hope now you all got what is the arithmetic mean and what is the mean. Mean is 2. Good. Next one is 4. Next one is question number 4. So I am going to draw our question number 3 and we'll go towards our number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Okay, 8 innings are there, and runs is in first inning 58, second 76, third 40, fourth 35, fifth 46, sixth 45, seventh 0, and eighth 100. Find the mean score. Okay, so mean score is equals to sum of runs scored in all the innings. Okay, what is that? 58 plus 76 plus 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 plus 100 and divided by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Okay, divided. Now we will add all of them. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. 14 plus 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. Okay, and 0 is 30. 30 0 is there and 3 carry. 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 5. Oh, sorry, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. 27 plus 5 is what? 27 plus 5 is 32. This is 320 and divided by 8. Okay. Okay, I am going to recheck by adding according to your standard. Actually, students are of 7th standard, and you will get confused if I will go if I will add this data in this way, which I have already taken. So 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. What is there? 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 19 plus 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. Okay, 30 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 7 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 3. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 8. 22 plus 8 is what? 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 0. 0 and 30. 3 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. Our addition is 400 instead of 320. Okay, our addition is 400. Now what we will do is 8 5 are 40 and our answer is 50. Okay, arithmetic mean or mean score is 50. Okay, and how this comes, actually we know very well the formula is mean score. For mean score, formula is sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. Okay. The formula is sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation is our formula. Okay. So 400 upon 8. We will divide our 400 by 8 and we will get 50. Good. Next one, we will go towards our next one. Okay, our question number 5th is following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Scored in 4 games. Scored in 4 games. Player, game. Okay. Our table is what? Table is player, game 1. Game, and I have written over here 1. Okay. Game 2. game 2, game 3, game 4, game 4. Okay, player A, B and this is C. A, B and C. A, B and C. Game 1 is what? 14, 0 and 8. Game 1 is 14, 0 and 8. Game 2 is 16, 8 and 11. And game 3 is 10, 6 and did not play. Did not play मतलब खेला नहीं था इसमें. इंजरी वगैरह हो जाती है ना, ऐसे कोई केस रहा होगा. Did not play. And game 4 is what? 10, 4 and 13. Good. चलिए भाई ये देखेंगे अपन. What we have to see is this is the data. Good. Now answer the following questions. Where is chalk? Okay. Now answer the following question. Now answer the following questions. Now answer the following questions. Okay. First one is find the mean to determine age average number of points scored per game. Find the mean. Find the mean. Find the mean to determine age. Find the mean to determine age. Find the mean to determine age. Find the mean to determine age average number of points. Is average number of points. Find the mean to determine. Find the mean to determine is average number of points. Points scored per game. Scored per game. Scored per game. Okay. Find the mean to determine age average number of points scored per game. Okay, find the mean to determine age average number of points scored per game. हमें A ने पर गेम कितना स्कोर किया है वो एवरेज नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स हमारे को डिटरमाइन करने हैं. गुड. चलिए तो अपन देखते हैं. फाइंड द मीन टू डिटरमाइन. फाइंड द मीन to determine age average number of points scored per game. ओके तो ए का एवरेज नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट निकालना हमारे को, तो उसके लिए ए का मीन निकालना पड़ेगा भाई. ठीक है. फाइंड द मीन. ए का निकालना पड़ेगा, ए की एवरेज. ठीक. तो ए का एवरेज क्या होगा, इसको मैं इधर सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ फर्स्ट को. ठीक है. एवरेज ऑफ ए. Average of A is what? Average of A equals to sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. Number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. तो देखो क्या होगा, 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 upon how many are there? 1 2 3 4 are there, so divide by 4. Okay, this is what 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 upon 4. The 30 40 and 50. 50 is there and the mean is 50 by 4. Okay, and what is there? 4 1 ja 4. After that we will left with 1. 8 4 to the 8 and after that we are left with 2. So this is 12.5. Our mean is what? Mean is 12.5, which is the answer of our first part. Okay. And next one is what? Actually, for finding the next one, I am going to rub. So you have to write down. Just now. Okay. After that, I will rub. I will rub answer of our first part for creating some space and the question also. Okay, I hope you all have noted. So I am going to rub now. Okay. Question number fifth and second part is what? To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total number by 3 or by 4y? Okay. So next one is part second is what? Okay, I am going to note our part second. So our part second is what? To find the mean number of points per game for C. To find the mean number of games, to find the mean number of games. Number second is what? To find the mean number of points per game. Mean number of points per game. Points per game. To find the mean number of points per game. To find the mean number of points per game for C. For C, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total number? Would you divide the total number? Would you divide the total number, the total points by? Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4 or by 4? Why? We have to give the reason of that also. Okay. So number fifth and part second. Okay, this part is homework for you because I am going to give homework in every part, and all other parts you have to try are also homework. Okay, this part I will do in your next video. Okay, till then, thank you.